In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Gamestop points online. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The quickest and most convenient way to spend your Gamestop points online is through their website. So using a web browser on your computer or your phone, go to gamestop.com, and when you arrive at this page, you will be able to spend your points after you are done signing into your account. Once you are properly signed in and you see your name or your account at the top right corner of the screen, click on your account, and then from this menu at the right, select Account Overview. You will be immediately redirected to this page, and now all you have to do to use your GameStop points online is to access the Rewards Center. So click View All, and of course, if you are part of GameStop Pro, you will have accumulated a lot of points. You can spend them online or in any of these rewards. You will notice that some of them are going to be in-store only and others online only. So if you want to get online rewards, make sure that you select this option, but you can also get in-store if it is more convenient for you. Regardless of which option you pick, whenever you select any of the rewards listed here, you will be redirected to another page where you can see a summary of the reward itself. As you can see, for these ones, which are just gift cards to say, they will give a brief description and they will explain how can you get and spend this amount. This reward may only be used for purchases on GameStop.com and the GameStop mobile app. So if you want to get this as credits for your next GameStop purchase, all you have to do is click this button. You will notice that I don't have any points, so unfortunately I will not be able to show you the redemption screen, but as long as you do, you can get any reward listed and use your points that you have accumulated. If you are a Pro member, you will also be able to save and get some discounts on certain items. Make sure that you check the Reward Center after for any new rewards that you might find. But as you can see at the time that I'm recording this video, it is only credits to be spent on the GameStop online website or in-store through the mobile app. I hope I was able to help you on how to use GameStop points online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.